Did you know that Seattle is the glass-blowing capital of the United States? And here at Seattle Glassblowing Studio, you can see hundreds of beautiful and unique pieces of artwork. However, you can also come and create your own. Come have a look. As you can see, there's plenty of artwork in the gallery. Even the bathroom is a piece of art on its own. And after picking our design and colors, we went through a brief instruction, and then it was finally time to create our own piece of art. As you can see, glassblowing is not as simple as you may have thought. It can even take up to 10 years to master the skill and be able to create the pieces of art we saw in the gallery. And now we have to wait a couple of days for the glass to properly cool down. Now that was definitely amazing, educational and well worth your time. Make sure to come down here and it's an amazing experience. We're back at the Glassblowing studio because it takes a couple of days for the glass to cool down for you to pick up your pieces. Now my piece came out really nicely. Look at this, it's beautiful. If you're looking for a unique souvenir to take home from your time in Seattle, look no further and come down to the Seattle Glassblowing Studio. Subscribe, like the video, share with your friends, and we'll see you in our next adventure. Ciao for now.